Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I ran into another issue on this 96 F-150. It's an issue that could be an issue for other people, and it was a weird diagnostic how we came across this. So no start on a crank. This is a 5-speed manual. On this wire right here, the exciter wire for this is your starter relay is what they're calling it, but it's also basically just a solenoid. This was getting 12 volts. If you gave 12 volts here separate from this, the vehicle would start. This was getting 12 volts, but when it was plugged into here, it would not. So what you want to do is come over to your clutch pedal switch. I'm going to show you where it's at. It is this guy right here on the gas pedal. I'm trying to get my flashlight in the right position so I don't have to take it all the way back apart. So on this you have a, see, oh, this thing's starting to be a lot more of a headache than what I thought. You have these two red and blue wires right here. So when the clutch pedal is pushed in, that goes in, and it basically allows you to crank. It's like a neutral safety switch. What you want to do is just unplug this plug, run a jumper wire to both of the red and blues, and then see if it'll crank. If it'll crank, then that is your issue. That just pops out, no special tools needed. It just clips down and then clips back in. So, and it clips at this side, so it won't clip on this side because it's fatter. That's actually what pushes in on the lever. So if it cranks, it just means that that sensor is not able to feed enough power, that the ground from the relay is just overpowering it. But yeah, so very weird. Couldn't find anything. This is the jumper wire we used, and then we just bought a new one. New one's about 40 bucks. But yeah, check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and you guys all know, keep wrenching.